Understanding Mailbox Number, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, mailbox number. This might seem simple, but it's used often in everyday life, especially when dealing with addresses and personal information. Stay with us to understand its meaning and usage. Let's get started. A mailbox number refers to a specific number assigned to a mailbox within a larger group of mailboxes. This is commonly seen in apartment buildings, office buildings, or at post offices. Each mailbox number is unique to an individual or a business, ensuring that mail is delivered to the correct recipient. Understanding and using the right mailbox number is crucial for a few reasons. Firstly, it ensures that your mail and packages are delivered correctly. Secondly, in many places, the mailbox number can be different from your apartment or suite number. It's essential to know this distinction, especially when providing your address for official documents or online orders. Let's look at some examples. 1. Please include your mailbox number on the shipping form. 2. I received a notice that a package was left in mailbox number 15, which is not mine. 3. Can you check if there's any mail in mailbox number 102? Many learners confuse mailbox number with house number or apartment number. Remember, a mailbox number is specifically for mail and might not always match your living or office space number. We hope this video clarifies what a mailbox number is and how to use it correctly in English. Remember, it's a small detail, but it makes a significant difference in everyday communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.